Hello and welcome to my update channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to create a company page on LinkedIn. Let's start now. Go to one of the browsers on your laptop, type www.linkedin.com, and press enter. After opening LinkedIn, you will see the work on the right. Click on it. Now move down. Below, you can create a company page button. Click on it. A new page will appear after clicking the Create Company Page button. There you have to fill in your details. Name, website link, what industry the page belongs to, how many people work in the company, whether the company is public or private. After writing the brief description of the company, put the company logo. Then click the Verify and Create Page button. Congratulations, your company page has been created. Now you fill in other details about the company there. For more information, visit www.barrelamrit1.com.np.